My homemade version of Cyclone Absorber is made from 22 individual wooden discs. Each disc is finished and then assembled to form the funnel. The air ramp is made from 3 parts and assembled to form the inlet helix, which is the intake for the extraction system. The vacuum cleaner is connected to the top of the suction pipe. Only negative pressure is created there. No particles are extracted. The particles are set into rotation by the helix in the inlet and fall into the collection container at the bottom of the tapered cone. This works perfectly for me. The suction pipe has a diameter of 75 millimeters and is 155 millimeters long. It protrudes 38 millimeters from the bottom of the helix. This is important to prevent particles from being extracted. For optimal efficiency, everything must be airtight, including the collection container. The plastic barrel had to be reinforced internally to prevent it from imploding under the negative pressure. Not even fine dust reaches the vacuum cleaner. Everything is collected in the container.